So you've gone out and you've bought the TRADFRI or TRADFRI or however you want to say it. And you think that maybe your light can work with a remote. You've got a color light and you want to change the color, but you don't want to be pressing the button all the time. So you went and bought a sensor with it. I've faced this sensor the other way because it actually works. But how do you pair both of them at the same time? Because if you're watching this, you're probably like me and you paired one and then you tried to pair the other and it won't work. And then so you unpair it and then you pair the other one and then the other one won't work. And this is not documented in IKEA at the moment in any of this. So it's really annoying. I had to dig really deep to find it. So this is what you do. You take your remote that you've paired with these lights. Now turn it open and you hold on to the pairing button, and then after you've pressed this one, you press the pairing button on your other remote, and in this case it's a sensor. So you hold them both for 10 seconds and then you'll see the other remote flash. And just do this away from your light, like just walk to a different room. And you hold these two together really close like this. So again, you first press this, hold on, then with your other hand, press this and hold on. And then they will both flash. And now look. So this is my light. So that controls both those lights. And I turn it off. And this is my sensor. See? Just sensed. So I'm gonna put this here to show you. I'll try and hold still. So I turn this off. And now if I move, see? I'll do it again. Turn this off. And the sensor activates. So now I've got both these paired. So I don't have to keep coming in and turning on my display lights. I just have to put this somewhere. And when I walk into the room, it's going to turn on my lights for me. Going to my computer, just want to enjoy my cool lights. Yeah, and it works. So that's how you do it. I hope that helped.